Hey everyone, Diwali is coming up soon, so I thought of creating this dramatic look for all the upcoming Diwali parties using the Natasha Denona palette and some bold lips. So let's get started. I've already done my eyebrows using the Benefit pencil in 4.5. I'm starting by taking this color on a blending brush and adding it to my crease in windshield wiper motion. I'm even adding this color to my outer V. Next, I'm taking this lighter color on a soft blending brush and blending out the edges of the darker color. Next, I'm taking this mud color on a blending brush and adding it to the crease to deepen the crease a bit more. I'm even adding the same color to the outer V. Then I'm taking this color on a soft blending brush and blending out the edges for a seamless edge. Next, I'm going to take the concealer by Too Faced on a small flat brush and creating a cut crease. Take your time to create a nice dome shape which will complement your eye shape. Then I'm taking this light shimmery color and adding it to the inner 1/3 corner. I'm adding a thick layer so that shimmer pops. Next, I'm taking this rose gold color on the same flat brush and adding it to the center portion. As they are shimmery colors, they will merge into each other easily. Then I'm taking this dark bronze color and adding it to the outer 1/3 of the lid. Make sure the previous color and this color merge. Use a soft hand to blend in between the colors. I'll clean all the fallout with this wet wipe by St. Ives. I particularly like this wet wipe as the ingredients are quite clean. To start the base makeup, I'm first going to moisturize my face with this facial moisturizer by Care. Next, I'm using my current favorite face primer by Huda Beauty. This one is a mattifying one which is perfect for my oily skin. For foundation, I'm going in with Born This Way foundation in the color Sand. I wish there was a color which was like a half shade darker than this. Next, I'm going in with Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Beige. I can compare this concealer to Shape Tape concealer. Next, I'm contouring the cheekbone using the Huda Beauty Tantour in medium. If you like to use cream contour, then this is the bomb. It melts into my foundation without making it look muddy. It blends so beautifully and at the same time it doesn't slide down. It stays put. Next, I'm setting the foundation with the banana powder by Huda Beauty. I swear I'm not advertising Huda's products, but this powder is like my holy grail product of the century. I've got so many compliments after wearing this powder. I feel my skin just glows and looks so smooth. Next, I'm contouring with Fenty Beauty's Sun Talk bronzer in Island Ting. I always powder contour after cream contouring to give a nice blended look. I'm contouring the cheekbone and the jawline to give a nice chisel look. Next, I'm going to rub this lamp and ask the genie to grant me the wish of forever glow. This highlight is by MAC Cosmetics from the Aladdin Collection. I like the subtle glow this highlighter adds. I'm adding the highlight even on the brow bone and the inner corner of my eye to brighten my eye. Next, I'm adding this Kiko blush. I feel these pinks suit my skin tone the best. To complete the eye look, I'm again taking this dark bronze color on a pencil brush and adding it to my lower lash line. To darken the lower lash line, I'm adding this brown color, just going back and forth. Then I'm adding this lash liner by Kat Von D. This one doesn't leak and is super intense. Next, I'm adding mascara. This one is also by Kat Von D called Go Big or Go Home. It just adds so much volume to my lashes. Super happy with this mascara. Next, I'm adding the Jade lashes by Huda Beauty. As this is Diwali look, I'm gonna add some bold lips. This lip liner and lipstick both are by Flormar. both available on Glam Beauty's website, and don't forget to use my code Saniksha25 to get some good discount. The lip liner is in True Red and the lipstick is in 11 Candy. And now add some dramatic earring, and that's the final look. I'm going to create a few more Diwali looks and upload it soon. I hope you're taking part in my ongoing giveaway. Don't forget to like and comment on my video. Till then, keep blending, my lovelies.